Okay, how do we move pages? So first thing I'm going to do here is add a few more pages perhaps. So let's just go, rename this one. So if I go properties, I'm actually going to call that mathematics. Enter in one number, we can get another subpage, term 1 algebra. Okay. Now we're going to add another page, and that might be science. And we might have English. We might have health. Perhaps we have technology. And you might have different projects with that, or different option lines. So, for example, if I added here the subpage of sewing, okay, but actually sewing should have been under my technology for this year, I can simply, once it's loaded, I can pick it up and drop it into technology. We can move things around. If I put health into sewing, I've got a double. It keeps nesting them, but I don't want health there. I want to show it here. So maths, should be at the top. I'll leave it at the top, but maybe English or literacy, we could put it up here. Let's push publish and have a look. So what we've got now is English, and we've got a maths page with 2 subpages, a technology page with a subpage of sewing. We have a science page and a health page. So you can see how you can have all your options up the top and different pages within. So we'll end up with about 8 pages for maths, for example. Okay, so back to here. What I was trying to do is create the video for move and rename pages, and I think I've done it. That's cool. You can see my pages here. There's quite a few, and you can expand them as well when you're looking at them. So, done.